Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu speaking at the MOU signing of the Aviation EDU City at Visakhapatnam expressed happiness over the prestigious project in Andhra Pradesh. He had explained that the initiative aims to utilize the growth of the aviation in India and build an ecosystem where the younger generation can receive training in aviation. He noted that under Prime Minister Modi's leadership, India has become the third largest domestic aviation market globally. The minister emphasized that vision are to align courses such as planning and crew training with global standards by involving top universities worldwide. He added that Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu always envisioned such as a project aiming to prepare local youth for rising global demand.
Very happy to be participating in the MOU signing of a prestigious aviation edu-city in the state of Andhra Pradesh near Visakhapatnam. It has been graced by Honorable Governor of Goa, Ashok Gajpati Raju Garu, and our young leader and Minister of IT and Education from Government of Andhra Pradesh, Lokesh Anna Garu. And the whole idea behind this edu-city is to take the opportunity of the growth of aviation in the country and to create an ecosystem where the younger generation can train themselves in the field of aviation. There is a huge scope in aviation. We are seeing that it is a continuously growing sector. For the last 10 years, under the visionary leadership of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, we have become the third biggest aviation market. We have become the third biggest aviation market in the world, domestic aviation market. Now taking it ahead, the demand that is going to be created in the future in various courses, right from planning, crew, maintenance engineers, and the ground handling, fire safety, and other courses that are there. If there is a vision that we want to be with the global standards, bring in all the universities across the world from the best countries, best universities, and create a platform for all of them all together to create an aviation training, learning, skilling academy ecosystem. And this has been the vision of our Chief Minister also, Chandrababu Naidu Garu, who always thinks for 20 years, 30 years, 40 years down the road. So all of this together, we are planning this to be one of the best in the country, and with global standards. So we'd like to especially thank Mansa's Trust under the chairmanship of Ashok Gajpati Raju Garu for donating 136 acres of land for this project, and GMR Group for bringing in the expertise in aviation. We have already seen their
BJP MP Anurag Thakur speaking on the issue of